Choco. Ayan. Konting review na lang. My Choco, meron na siyang complete phyto-energizer. Higit sa lahat, meron din siyang DHA. Docosa, hexanoic acid. Ang gagaling nyo. So, ito yung pwedeng hot, pwedeng cold, pwede mong i-shake. Yung iba nilalagay ng yellow, sinishake, biniblender, nilalagay dito, tapos sinaserve. Lalo na pag summer, masarap inumin, pambata. Ano nagagawa next? Bukod doon sa nagagawa ng complete phyto-energizer, chocolate itself. Kaya nga yung babae, minsan, pag binigyan mo yung chocolate, nawawala yung galit. Kaya nga, di ba sabi nila, better than chocolate. May mga ganong terminologies. Kasi, may kakaibang feeling kapag kumakain ka ng chocolate. May kakaibang feeling, mamaya di-discuss ko. Kasi yung cocoa plant, which is the origin ng chocolates, lahat ng chocolates yan, made with dark, premium, white chocolate galing sa cocoa plant, may antioxidant din, which we call flavonoids. May naturally occurring antioxidant yung cocoa plant. So lahat ng chocolate, mayroong a portion ng antioxidant which we call flavonoids. Next, ang chocolate, by the way, it can decrease the risk of heart attack by 50%. Sipin nyo, chocolate pa lang yan, cocoa pa lang yan, 50%, it lowers the blood pressure. What else? It prevents the oxidation ng bad cholesterol ng LDL. Ayan, it prevents platelet clumping. Ano ba? Anti-inflammatory effect din, parang DHA. What else? Improve arterial blood flow. Pakita mo na. Enhances action of neurotransmitter like serotonin. Ayan. Help regulate mood and sleep. May effect siya sa mga neurotransmitters o mga messengers sa utak natin. Kaya pag may kumakain ng chocolate, may good feeling. Parang kang inaantok na masarap matulog, parang gumaganda yung pakiramdam mo. The good thing with our product, na My Choco, meron pa siyang DHA na nagsisynergize with that action. Meron pang complete that's synergize with this action. So, pwedeng pang bata para tumalini yung mga anak natin, bigyan na may Choco, sabayan nyo ng Colidus, may ito yung painom nyo. Okay, what else? Guys, are you learning? Yes! So, what we plan to do, guys, is to keep on doing this every Saturday. Para na sa ganun matuto yung buong network nyo. Number one, tumaas yung belief level natin sa products. So, we ourselves can take our product. Yung buong pamilya natin, ito yung iinumin. At ito rin yung iaalok natin sa mga kaibigan ng pamilya natin. Are you learning, guys? Yes!